Careful about the upper lip when you, because you don't want to pull more thing down. It's fine now, isn't it? Did you go to?
With family?
With hold. Sorry, with gap.
So we'll be having numbers for
4 mm, please. Segment here. I've already got the occlusion. We're doing a Bimax, a face makeover type of a surgery. I finished with the nasal base, upper jaw advancement, upper jaw impaction. Now we're getting the lower jaw forward, backwards. We're rotating it. Okay, wash. So we're doing this major facial makeover surgery here. As you can see, we're in completing stages. Done a lot of osteotomies in the upper jaw, lower jaw, chin, angle. See the angle? We even changed the angle here. Even on this side. So this is before and this is just now after we've done jaw surgery with rhinoplasty. Upper jaw surgery, lower jaw surgery, osteotomies involving the ramus, involving the chin, involving the malar bone and the upper jaw, maxilla. We've got the malar point up, we've made his face angular. More importantly, look at the way his upper teeth are. The exposure, he had underbite, protruded upper jaw, so many issues. I think I had about 10 major points in his diagnosis. We've taken care of every single aspect. We also have taken care of his side profile. You see that? All of this has been taken care. Done an osteotomy, changed the angle shape, osteotomy, changed the shape of the chin. Look at that shape of the chin there. And look at the chin right now. A position of the upper lip, shape of the upper lip. And yeah, this is a total face makeover. This is taken as around 4 hours. And this is going to be for life for him. Steady strip, dynaplast. Nasal.
Breathe, man. Breathe. Last time. Yeah, you started breathing. Nagesh.
So this is just day 1 now, 24 hours after we've done a major face makeover surgery. Upper osteotomies, lower osteotomies, multiple areas, BSSO, LIFO1, high quadrangular, genium, chin, nose, everything. And he's totally fine, but you're having difficulty in opening the mouth, right? Yeah, that will be there for some time. Your swelling is not much. I think I'm very happy that you don't have much swelling. Maybe after some time, tomorrow we can start giving you soft solid diet. So meanwhile, take a lot of fluids, little soft solid, whatever you can. Then after a few days, we'll remove the plaster. And then you can start eating little bit better diet. And maybe after 4-5 days, you can go home. Surely. Yeah. So he's come all the way from Hyderabad. It's a city in the state of Telangana, right? Yeah, and he's going to be with us for a few more days and then he'll be good to go.
any other complaints you have? Did you pass motion? No? Okay, drink a lot of water, okay? Huh? Idli. Let him have anything.
This one after.
You can come. You want to meet him?
Wait.
Okay, we'll let you know. Hi, this is Dr. Catherine. So we have done a biojaw surgery for him 5 days back and even a rhinoplasty for him. So I'm going to remove this tape. Okay. See, he had a really broad dorsal, so we have narrowed it, and he had class 3 occlusion, and we got the upper jaw forward, and we have done some genioplasty for him with some horizontal advancement, and this is how he was before the surgery. Yeah, side view. Right now looks like this. Okay. So do you have any pain? Nothing. So what food you are having? Idli and normal. He's into soft diet now. Okay. How are you able to swallow, speak? All good, right? Okay. No discomfort, nothing, right? Yeah, that will. You have pain here? So yeah, you have little bit swelling. That's going to come down in a while. Okay. So
Looking like a different person.
yeah, he's like completely different now. See? Look at this. With a mirror cover. See, you were like this before. You know, right? How you were. But anyway, I give you a mirror. Just see how you look right now. Hold it. How are you looking? Handsome, huh? Yeah, you have swelling everywhere, even here, everywhere you have swelling. That will come down, okay? You have to give some time for that to come down. Okay? Yeah, I'll show you some other.
This is a big torture. Yeah, superb now.
Okay, cool.
Oh, just show like that.
See that? He didn't have a curve, it was like totally flat, and we gave him a curve, and then the upper forward. We have done leap forward 1 osteotomy, maxillary advancement, and genioplasty with BSSO. Okay, you look great. You like it?
Yes.
Yeah?
So hi, this is our patient who's going back home 5 days after we've done a face makeover type of surgery. Combination of lot of orthognathic work, combination of rhinoplasty, combination of soft tissue work. I'm going to show you what all we've done. Have a close look. We're going to start from his nose. Look at the nose, it's much more narrow, much more sharper. Look at the position of the tip. Then the next, look at the lips, the amount of teeth exposed. Smile. Yeah, you can see how his smile is now. And it's still early days, so you won't be able to smile the way. Next, look at the cheekbones. Smile a little bit. Okay, look at that. Now it's prominent, not like the way. The chin, have a nice shape of the chin, shape of the lips. Okay, now we're going to move on, show you the side views. And look at the side views. Look at that. This angle was very much roundish. We've made it more angular, 110 degrees. This relation is not okay now in the pre-op, and we fixed that relation as well. So it's a total work on the chin, on the angle, on the upper lips, lower lips, nose, cheeks. Right, I'm going to show you once more. About 5 days over, right? Okay, you are having any pain after 5 days? No much pain. But I've asked you to take some soft solid diet. You cannot open your mouth much, right? All of that will settle down. And you're going to look really beautiful, really handsome, okay? It's going to take some more time, as I said, 3 to 4 weeks. 3 weeks rest, 1 week here I told you. 1 day earlier you're leaving us and going. So he comes from the city of Hyderabad. And yes, so I think the result is very good. Yeah, you're happy, right? It will be superb. So only thing you have to do brushing well, you take care of your oral hygiene, and after some time, if you need, you can get some braces back in Hyderabad to get that fine central midline, everything. But we've given you the same occlusion in a much more precise position of the upper and the lower jaws, and also fixed your chin, okay? And that's your scan. And look at the kind of work that we've done. You can see the plates everywhere. This is the plate of the SAGs, this is the plate of genioplasty, this is the wires from the eyelets. You have some 4 screws there. So in all we have a long plate here. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 2 plus 2. So that's 8 screws, 8 plates and 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 24. 24 screws and 8 plates in your body. Okay, these are very good titanium and they don't cause a problem. But in case they do, then we can always easily take them out. In case they don't, like less than 1 in 100 patients have a problem because we put a lot of implants. You know, like if you put 1 or 2, the problems is very, very minimal. But when you're putting too many, I've seen that over a period of years, maybe 1 out of every 100 patients or every 60, 70 patients has some problem with 1 implant somewhere, you know. They might say that it can feel something, or they feel some tingling thing, or whatever. If you have a complaints, we can easily take them off if need be. Yeah, we'll tell you that also. Alright, so you can call your parents, so we just talk with them before you go.